In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to learn Go High Level in just 5 minutes. Now, this is a powerful tool that can enhance the way you manage client relationships and automate your business processes. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to get started by signing up for Go High Level's free trial, available on their official website. This trial is a fantastic opportunity to gain hands-on access to the platform and explore its wide array of features without any commitment. Being able to test out the platform firsthand will provide you with invaluable experience and a better understanding of how each feature can benefit your business. Once you're set up with the trial, I highly recommend joining the daily live bootcamp sessions provided by Go High Level. These sessions are run by knowledgeable coaches who are there to assist you with step-by-step guidance. They'll help you navigate through the setup process and address any concerns or questions that might arise as you get acclimated to the platform. This is a great way to ensure you're making the most of Go High Level right from the start. One of the first tasks you should focus on is setting up your account through the Launchpad. The Launchpad helps you connect essential services like your Google Business Profile, Facebook, Stripe for managing payments, and WhatsApp for direct messaging. Proper integration of these services is crucial as they form the backbone of your account's functionality, allowing you to streamline your operations and enhance customer interactions. Once your account is configured, it's time to dive into opportunities and pipelines. Understanding how to map out the customer journey through these features is fundamental, as they are the core structure behind many Go High Level workflows. By organizing your opportunities and pipelines effectively, you'll be able to track customer progress from the initial contact through to conversion and beyond. Next, you'll want to explore the creation of forms, surveys, and chat widgets. These elements are pivotal as starting actions for customers interacting with your business. They capture necessary information and facilitate engagement, paving the way for tailored marketing and service campaigns. Setting up calendars for appointments is another crucial step. Calendars provide a seamless booking experience for your leads and clients, allowing them to schedule meetings effortlessly. This capability not only improves client satisfaction, but also optimizes your time management and business efficiency. Finally, take some time to familiarize yourself with the communication channels available within the platform. The Communication tab is where you can manage text messages, emails, and social media conversations. Staying on top of these channels ensures that you're always in touch with your customers, no matter where they choose to connect with you. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to harness the full power of Go High Level, maximizing your business's potential for growth and success. Thanks for watching, and happy